Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angelica Fitzgerald if you are new, and if you are not new, welcome back. So today, as you can tell, we're going to be working with a hair product from R+Co today. Now R+Co is kind of a not as well-known brand. Honestly, the thing that kind of turned me on to it is that when I found them, basically their thing is big hair. They even have products that talk about big Texas hair, and I was like, oh, big Texas hair. That's a big claim. Being from Texas, the bigger the hair, the closer to Jesus. We like our big hair, our big southern hair down there. So I figured I would give it a try and see if it can give you the true big southern hair. So I have two products that I'm going to be working with today. The first one is a Blowout Balm. Now this I actually already did use. This is what it looks like. Really cute packaging. Because this you're supposed to use when you blow dry your hair. So I did just get out of the shower, did my makeup. All I did to my hair was blow dry it. Literally nothing else was done. And by blow dry, I mean like flip my hair upside down and blow dry it. Not like styling blow dry it with like a styling brush. I literally just like flipped my hair upside down and dried the hair. So doesn't have a curl, doesn't have anything. This is its natural state. But you're supposed to put this on your hair to give it more fullness, give it a blowout. This is the end result of my hair. I do feel like it has a nice body to it. It doesn't feel weighed down at all. It doesn't feel like heavy. I feel like it has a nice light bounce to it. Now, would I say it's fuller than it normally is? Not quite. So for it to be a blowout balm, there's probably better products out there for you to get a big blowout look. I like the product. It definitely has a fantastic smell to it. So my hair smells fantastic. I used it for the first time this morning, and my husband Nick actually asked me what I used on my hair because my hair has never smelt this way before. So has a fantastic scent. It's kind of like perfume for your hair in a way. And so anyways, I don't mind it. It's made my hair nice and light. I feel like my hair is insanely shiny. And it looks good. So I actually wouldn't mind just leaving the house looking like this. So, and that's without styling. Normally I do have to take a straightener to like the top of my hair because sometimes my hair can get a little poofy. So I feel like this did calm down the frizz, gave it a nice little lift, made it super light and airy, smells fantastic. But for an actual like full body blowout, I would use some additional products to get a more fuller look, but I do think this is a good base. So the next product that I have not used yet that we're going to use in this video is their thickening spray. It's called the Dallas Thickening Spray. Now you can use this spray either with damp hair and blow dry it for a thicker, more full look, or you can style your hair with this spray to give it that full look. You're supposed to spray for a mega blowout. It's great for volume at the roots, control at the ends, overall smoothness, and it adds a ton of body and shine without stiffness. So this is not supposed to make your hair super cracky and super drying like a hairspray would, but it's supposed to add that volume. So what I'm going to do today is curl my hair really fast, do a quick style, super easy style, and I'm going to fast forward it because this isn't about the curling, this is about this product. So I'm going to style my hair, and then I'm going to spray this on at the end. I'll flip my hair upside down, give it a tassel, and see if we can get some more volume in my hair after I've styled it. You can spray this everywhere. At the roots, it's actually recommended most at the roots, and then everywhere else to give it that nice sleek shine, and see if it's worth your money. This was not an expensive brand at all already, so wanted to go ahead and see if this was worth your money. Okay, so real fast, the Park Ave Blowout Balm, this guy that I already used, does retail for $29, and it is 5 fluid ounces, so you can't travel with this, but they do have this in a travel size. So if you're interested in getting it to travel with after a quarantine, they do have that option available for you. If you're in need of a quick, nice blow-dried, blowout hair look and not like an intense styling, I really do like this. Okay, so the Dallas Thickening Spray, it does retail for $29 and it's 8.5 fluid ounces. Now on their website, they say for the ultimate Texas style big hair, use Dallas, the spray for a mega blow dry and great for volume at the roots, control at the ends, and an overall smooth look, tons of body and shine without stiffness. So this claims to be the ultimate Texas styling big hairspray. So That's a big claim. We're gonna see if that is true or not. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is curl my hair using my Chi Spin and Curl. If you have not heard of this, I do an entire video reviewing this machine, how to use it. It's one of my favorite ways to style hair, one of the quickest ways to style hair, which is why I'm doing that in this video. If you wanna learn how to style your hair with this, click the card above. I have attached that video here. I am not going to go into detail on how to use this because I just wanna curl my hair as fast as possible. And really fast, before I do curl my hair, I am going to go in with some Iron Guard Protectant Spray as well. Friendly reminder, if you're ever going to style your hair with a heating tool, use iron protecting spray or else your hair will die. So I'm going to spray that, going to curl my hair real fast, and then at the very end, going to go in with our Dallas Thickening Spray, Big Texas Hairspray, and see if it works. So if you are ready to find out if this spray works, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button down below. Now let's get some Big Texas hair. Alrighty, so as y'all can tell, my whole head is curled. They're like little Shirley Temple ringlets right now. Don't worry, they will not stay this way. This is not a cute look. Somehow I'm doing a hair video and I didn't bring a brush in here. So I'm gonna go get a brush real fast. But what I'm gonna do before I brush it out is spray it with this stuff. Then I'm gonna flip my hair upside down and kind of tassel my hair and spray it again. And then flip my hair back and see what we get. So I'm gonna go get a brush and I'll be right back. Alright guys, got my brush. So what I'm going to do is spray a little bit on the finished product right now while my hair is still a little bit hot. And by the way, the spin and curl is literally the fastest way I have found to curl my hair for a nice everyday natural curl look. Like, I would highly suggest y'all check this out. Just saying, it's literally one of my favorites. Alright, so I'm going to spray this everywhere. Oh my god, it smells lovely. Wow, that smells great. Whew, oh my gosh. Spray a little on the root. A little bit. On the roots. Okay. Like that. Alright, so now I'm gonna flip my hair upside down. Y'all kind of won't see this part because I can't like flip here on camera. But that's what I'm gonna do. So let's flip. Oh, okay. Whew, okay. So I sprayed it while my hair was upside down as well. Ooh. Okay, we might have a new favorite finishing spray here. I really like this spray. It feels like grippy, but not cracky at all. It was correct. It's not like a crunchy finish like hairspray is, which I totally love hairspray, but for an everyday hairstyle, I rather have like natural, not crunchy hair. Wow, I'm actually really pleased with how this turned out. I would say this is pretty voluminous hair. The only place I would like to get some more lift is up here, but I'm gonna need to like tease it to get some lift up there. But overall, wow, I actually like this a lot more than I thought I was going to. I honestly thought it was gonna kind of just be a basic spray that was like good, but not like love. So I'm a little shocked. I'm gonna give this product a total A+. This one in particular, this one is it's good. If you don't have some type of a blowout balm already, definitely check this out. If you have one you already love, stick with that one because this is not like magic, but it's pretty nice. This though, I would totally recommend. I mean, I have no product on my hair other than this, and this feels like solid. It feels like it's not moving. Again, it smells like a freaking dream. I don't know what they put in here to make it smell like that, but this is awesome. Like, I love the way my hair feels. It really feels good. So one other thing I wanted to add, well, I can't stop looking at myself. I'm like, hello hair. One other thing I did want to add though that I like about these products, regardless of if you get this one, the Balm, or any other product, because they sell a ton of hair products. I mean, like a ton. But all of them are paraben free, sulfate free, mineral oil free, cruelty free, gluten free, vegan, UV protection. So all of their products are really, really clean beauty. I like that a lot. Pretty much all the brands are hopping on the bandwagon of clean beauty because there's no point in putting harmful chemicals on our skin or on our hair. So love that about this brand. They don't even have something that's not clean beauty. They started off their brand with clean beauty. So really like that. And overall, my rating of their products are pretty good actually. I'm gonna order some more and try them out and see if they're as good, if I like them, if I don't, if they're basic. I'm gonna try some more stuff out, but I would highly suggest that you guys go check out R+Co because I really like the Dallas thickening spray. They have so many other sprays as well. They have a dry shampoo. I think that's what I'm gonna order next because dry shampoos are really hit or miss for me. I still kind of have yet to find a dry shampoo that I love, which is why I haven't shared one on my channel yet because I don't have one that's like a winner for me. So I'll probably try their dry shampoo. They also have shampoos, conditioners, a ton of other styling sprays. They also do have hairsprays, like actual sprays. And I'm gonna try a bunch of their stuff out now because I really like this Texas thickening spray. I do feel like it has made my hair a little bit closer to Jesus. So that's a win, and definitely in the big hair Texas family hair. So overall, my experience with this brand is really good. I know this was a really short, sweet video. I just wanted to kind of highlight them because they are a newer hair company and I just found them and I like them now. So glad I can share that with y'all. I was hoping I had some positive news from this brand. So I do, I definitely like it and I would totally recommend you guys check it out. So if you have any questions about the products that I use in this video, the Iron Guard, the Spin and Curl, or the R+Co products, everything's linked down in the description box below. If you have any more in detailed questions, feel free to shoot me a comment in the bottom. I reply to 100% of your questions and I'm always happy to help you out. So other than that, guys, I hope you have a fabulous day. I'm gonna go nowhere in my house looking fabulous for quarantine. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.